Hi friends, welcome to Solidworks with Al. Happy New Year's. Firstly, I want to thank the 39 subscribers who supported me in 2025 since I've started my channel. I'm going to try to upload more videos this year. Today, in this video, we're going to design a simple coffee table. I think this would be a nice project. So looking at the notes, note 1, all dimensions are in inches. Note 2, material is 5/8 thick wood, mahogany, and maple. Note 3, table legs are 3 by 6 inches by 2 inches high, mahogany. Okay, we're going to start off looking at the front view. The overall height, including the leg, with the leg, is 18 inches overall. The overall length is 36 inches long, and the overall width is 20 inches. Okay. The top of the coffee table is 20 inches wide by 36 inches long. The bottom as well. The side of the coffee table is 14 and 3/4 inches high by 20 inches wide. Now we're looking at the middle shelf, which is 23 and 5/8 inches long by 19 inches wide. And then the left side of the middle shelf is 7 and 1/16 inch high by 19 inches wide. Okay. Also in the front view, there's 2 shelf dividers. Okay, they're 7 and 1/16 of an inch high by 13 inches wide. And they're both the same at the top and the bottom. There's 2 of them. Okay. So looking at the right side view, looking at the dividers, the shelf dividers, they're sitting 3.5 inches in from the left edge, from the front of the table and the back. So they're sitting in the center at 13 inches wide. Okay. Also, the middle shelf is sitting 1/2 inch in from the front edge and 1/2 inch in from the back edge. And it's 19 inches wide as mentioned earlier, and it's sitting in the center of the table. Okay, just wanted to point out those details. Now looking at the bottom view to show the leg positions or locations. Okay, the legs are, as mentioned in the note, 3 inches by 6 inches, okay, by 2 inches high. And they're sitting 2 inch from the edges, okay, from this edge and from this edge, and it's the same all around, okay. So let's get started and design this coffee table 1. File, new, part, okay. Save drawing as coffee table 1. Going to go here, apply scene, plain white, systems option at the top here, options, document properties tab, units, IPS for inches, 3 decimal places for dimensioning, accuracy, okay. We're going to go to tools, sketch settings, make sure automatic relations is selected, and it is, okay. I'm going to sketch in the front plane, sketch, zoom out a bit, sketch a rectangle, okay. I'm going to select this line, okay, it's highlighted in orange. I'm going to go to the midpoint, okay, select the midpoint, hold shift, select the origin, make coincident, okay. Smart dimension, this is 16 inches without the legs, and this is 36 inches. Okay. I'm going to zoom in, draw another rectangle for the, oops, I'm going to offset entities. 5/8 of an inch. Okay, add dimensions. Select this top line. I'll set it in. Hit enter. Select the bottom line. I'll set it inside. Hit enter to repeat the command. Select this left line. I'll set it inside. Okay. Now I'm going to trim entities. I'm going to power trim this line, this top line, this bottom line. Okay. Now I'm going to draw another rectangle. Okay. Smart dimension 23.625, 23 and 5/8 of an inch, according to the drawing. Okay. Distance between this line and this line is 11 and 3/4 of an inch. Okay. Distance between this line and this line is 7.0625, 7 and 1/16 of an inch. And likewise, from this line to this line, 7 and 1/16 of an inch. 7.0625. Okay, and just to verify the thickness of that shelf, should be 5/8, and it is. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to draw more rectangles. I'm going to draw a rectangle from here to there. Okay, another rectangle there to there. I'm going to move this dimension over a bit. Alright, smart dimension, that line and that line, 0.625, we know that. 5/8 of an inch thick. Okay, distance between this line and this line is 11.5 inches. Likewise, 11.5 inches. Okay, now I'm going to draw one more rectangle from here to here. Dimension it. 5/8 of an inch. Okay, 0.625. Okay, and it's not fully defined yet, so I'm going to select this line. Hold shift, select this line. Make relations collinear. Okay, so our drawing is fully defined now. I'm going to go to diametric view. Features, extruded boss base. From sketch plane, direction 1 is from the mid plane. And 20 inches. Okay, selected contours, I'm going to select the top shelf. Make sure that corner is highlighted as well. Okay, bottom shelf, bottom corner here. Okay, extrude 20 inches. Alright, so we got two bodies. I'm going to turn off view graphics. Okay, so now I'm going to the same sketch, arrow, drop down, boss extrude 1, sketch 1, extruded boss base. I don't want merge result. 20 inches, mid plane, sketch plane, okay. I want this vertical side here, okay, at 20 inches, okay. So I should have 3 bodies, and I do. Same thing, same sketch, the first one. Extruded boss base. I'm gonna go and get the 2 middle shelf dividers. Okay. I'm gonna select the contour here and here. Unselect merge result. Going to the drawing, it's 13 inches. Okay. From direction 1 mid plane and from sketch plane. Okay. Direction 1 is mid plane, yep. 13 inches, okay. Okay. From the first sketch again, highlight it, extruded, boss, base, unmerge, select, merge result, okay. 19 inches for the middle shelf, mid plane, sketch plane, select this middle shelf, okay. Okay. From the first sketch again, select it, highlight it, extruded boss base, unmerge, unselect merge result, 19 inches, mid plane, sketch plane again, selected contours. I'm going to select this contour right here, okay, at 19 inches. Okay, so I should have 7 bodies, and I do. Okay, so now I'm going to the top plane. Click on top plane, sketch, that's the bottom. Okay. Select, sketch a rectangle. Okay, dimension, smart dimension, 6 inches. By 3 inches. Okay, distance from this edge, this line to this line, edge is 2 inches. From this line to that edge highlighted in orange is 2 inches. Okay, deselect my smart dimension. I'm going to draw some center lines. Center line here from the origin to the midpoint. Again, another center line, a horizontal center line from here to that midpoint. Now I'm going to do some mirroring, mirror entities. Entities to mirror, select that rectangle, copy, mirror about that vertical center line. Okay. Again, mirror entities, entities to mirror, select those 2 rectangles, mirror about that horizontal center line. Okay. Features, extruded boss base, from sketch plane, direction 1 is from the blind, unselect merge result, the height of the leg is 2 inches only. The arrow showing up, I'm going to show you in the front view. That's incorrect. It should be going down. So I'm going to go to direction, reverse it. Now it's correct. Should be facing down. Okay. Now we have 4 legs plus the 7 body parts, so that's 11 solid bodies. Go to diametric view. Okay, I'm going to apply some appearance now. I'm going to select extruded 1, boss extruded 1, hold shift, boss extruded 3 to get all 3, 1, 2, and 3, and I'm going to go to appearance, okay, organic folder, wood folder, okay, I'm going to select on the wood folder, and I'm going to go to polish maple 2D, double click it. All right, now I'm going to select boss extrude 4, hold shift, select boss extrude 6 to get boss 4, 5, and 6. Go to appearance again, same thing in the wood folder, polish mahogany 2D. Double click it. All right. So I'm going to turn on view graphics now. I'm going to show the front plane, the bottom, the right side, okay, and diametric. So there we have it. We finished designing the coffee table 1. Okay. I hope you like it. If so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.